This is what I started with to trade, and we still use it today when we go traveling and we go on our trips and vacations. Just say I'm risking 10 to 40 bucks to make $100. We are with our setup. This is my backdrop. This is my area you will see when I am trading. Talking more about how you can make $100 a day in the stock market. Beautiful Miami skyline. It's exactly what I wanted. I want to live in one of these one day. I want to actually lease an apartment or a condo in one of these skyscrapers one day. That's what I want to do. That is my dream. This is exactly what you'll see when I trade live in the morning with the LTE team. I did just take a trade overnight on MSTZ, buying a few shares here, getting a light position. Check it out. That's me and my dad. We have the same birthday, so we're blowing out candles. It's me again. And then me again. This is my trading setup. I get to be here every day. Look at my pretty boy. Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Aww. This is my son, Gene. I just show you this maple glazed donuts. Delicious. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Hey. Hey.
You'll feel the change no matter what you're doing or how you live. Go to Form.Science to find out more.
My cute little kitty. Cute little kitty. Check it out. That's me and my dad. We have the same birthday, so we're blowing out candles. It's me again. And then me again.
You're a low-level TSO.
Watching Carry On for Christmas. And eating ham, mashed potatoes, collard greens, stuffing, and Cheddar Bay biscuits. Hey, I never thought about filming from this angle before. You guys are like right where my speedometer is in the car. I could talk to you guys while I drive. Just dropped off my dad back at his house. We had a nice little Christmas. Had the fixings. You guys just saw that. And that's it. I mean, Christmas is basically over. Our kids are getting older. I got a 15-year-old and a 10-year-old, and they got everything they wanted for Christmas. You know, I got a couple gifts. My wife got a few gifts. And my dad got some gifts, and you know, we're a small family now. You know, I used to go to my grandparents' house when they were alive, and we'd have, you know, I have over 7 aunts and uncles, probably like 30-something cousins, and we'd all get together for Christmas. And we'd all hang out, play games, and enjoy ourselves. And it's a little different this year, you know? Doesn't mean that it's for the better or for the worst, but I know I certainly miss my grandma, and I miss them. I miss the people I love that are no longer here and no longer really in our life. But what we got to do is just remember the good times. Remember the times we did have, and if you're in that moment, cherish them, you know, cherish those moments, because they're not always going to be there. The one thing you could count on in life is change. That's the one thing you can count on. It's change. It's always going to change. It's always going to be something different, and you just have to learn to accept it. The faster you accept change, the easier your life will be. But other than that, it was a good Christmas. And now it's time to get back to work. I'm gonna go even harder than I have before. I'm gonna be pushing out content daily, like always. We're not quite finished with our 30-day challenge. And I'm not gonna lie, I missed a day or two. You know, I think I missed 1 day or maybe 2 days during this 30-day period. But the days I missed with those vlogs are also days that I still went live with our LTE team in the morning at market open. I still showed up and I traded. I missed some workouts and I missed 1 or 2 daily vlogs, but that doesn't define me. I'm not giving up, and this is just the beginning. You know, missing 1 day out of 365 is nothing. Missing 1 day out of 30 days is nothing. The point is to just always move forward, always push ahead, and just know that it's not over. There's a little Scion WRX that wanted to race me. It's like, okay, I'm in a Hyundai Elantra. Like, cool, it has sports mode. My car does have sports mode. I probably could have wrecked him. But I did it. What's the point, right? I passed him, but what's the point? So yeah, we're gonna go put some gas. There's that little WRX right there. You see him in the background? Right there. He was gonna try to race me. That's so funny. And then I'll have some more content for you. I'll smash all this together, and we'll have another video out for today. All right, so leaving the Maverick. It's crazy they built one of these in our town now. It is insane. But yeah, now we have a place to go to get cheaper gas and somewhat cheap drinks and stuff, but you know, other than that, basically just gas. And it's 24/7, so that's cool, because there's nothing in our town that's 24/7. It's way too small of a town. But yeah, beautiful little sunset behind us. You can barely see it in the distance. And I'm going to be providing some great content and value to you guys headed your way. We're going to be talking more about how you can make $100 a day in the stock market with easy setups. You know, I don't have a $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 account. I'm literally able to make $100 in 30 minutes to an hour every day with about $1,000 to $2,000. So you're not really need a lot of money. You don't need a lot of capital to be able to do it. We're talking about, you know, with $2,000, about 5%. With $2,500, about 4% to make $100. And the next step is $200 and $300 and $400. And then, you know, $500, $1,000 a day. And I know we can get there. It's all about being disciplined, showing up, and making sure that we also have risk management, right? So I usually risk like 1 for 5, 1 for 10, meaning if I want to make $100, I'm risking between $10 and $20. That's the most risk I have. I could take 2 trades if I want to, so it would be between, say, like $20 and $40 on the low end to $20 to $40 on the high end. So let's just say I'm risking 10 to 40 bucks to make $100, and I have 2 trades I could take a day. If I don't, you know, if I make my $100 in the first trade, I'm not taking a second trade. If I lose twice on 2 trades with my max loss of, again, about $10, $20 per trade, then I'm done for the day. And we're not trying to push anything. We're not trying to, you know, make those 100% home runs, but those small wins, those small little consistent winners over time are what's gonna push you and make you the most money and keep you profitable, keep you to where you're able to take another trade tomorrow. Because if you risk 50% of your entire account and it goes down, you know, 50%, you lost 25% of your account. What if you risked 50% of your entire account? Then you lost, you know, if it's $1,000 account, I mean, you lost $500 on a single trade. So we're all about trading to maximize our profit and minimize our risk. Hope that helps. I'll add some more value to this when we get home in just a minute. My average miles per gallon in this thing is 62 miles a gallon. That's insane for my Hyundai Elantra. That is just amazing. Also, guys, I got some new wall art here. It looks like I'm literally looking out of my window. Yeah, I love it. I love it, I love it. That's our holiday clock, but it really looks nice. It's got that nice setup here, those beautiful Miami skyline. It's exactly what I wanted. I want to live in one of these one day. I want to actually lease an apartment or a condo in one of these skyscrapers one day. That's what I want to do. That is my dream. That is my goal to do. And guys, I get to look at it every single day when I wake up. Here's my trading station. Of course, as you can see, I got my trading station here. Flip the screen around, but basically here's my trading station. I got my desk. I got my books in the corner with my Himalayan salt rock. And we just crossed over 7,500 subscribers. So I get to update this now. We got that SkyTech Archangel computer. Very lovely, I love it. We also have a curved monitor. And there's that skyline again, guys. I'm gonna live here one day in one of these buildings. I am. I'm gonna make it possible. I got my trading mouse mat here. And this is what I trade, guys. This is what I trade. I trade support levels. I trade resistance levels, support and resistance. We trade bullish trend lines. We trade consolidation periods, the horizontal patterns, buying the low, selling the high. And when it's bearish, that's when we don't sell. I also like to trade these crossovers here, the EMA crossovers. Very nice. It even shows buy confirmation candles and sell confirmation candles. You even have pairs to look at when trading, beginners pairs, intermediate pairs, and advanced pairs if you trade futures. But overall, this is my setup, guys. I love it. This is where I do all my work every day. This is where I take all my trades. This is it. And now I get to look at that wall art every single day when I show up for our live streams. I got all my books and education right here. A bunch of good stuff here as far as stuff to read. And then I got my wife's setup over there, of course. She's got a nice little desk set up. We got, she's been using my laptop for now. We're gonna get her own setup. But I started with the gaming laptop to trade with. I'll show you guys. This is the MSI gaming laptop that I had as well. Intel Core i5 GeForce GTX by NVIDIA. This is what I started with to trade. And we still use it today when we go traveling and we go on our trips and vacations. I'll still use that to get on to WEBULL, trade with, and get on with the LTE team when we go live. Yeah, overall, this is the house. This is my trading setup. I get to be here every day, trading with you guys. We're gonna put up some more wall art here in just a minute. I'm excited to do it. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. It's almost time to edit this content. All right, and here we are with our setup. This is my backdrop. This is my area you will see when I am trading live. And then we also have our WEBULL account here. Markets did open already, so we can go ahead and dive into the computer. This is exactly what you'll see when I trade live in the morning with the LTE team. I did just take a trade overnight on MSTZ, buying a few shares here, getting a light position, only about $200 right here. But Bitcoin has sold off tremendously from, let's see, from Friday or from Wednesday when market closed. And it was closed all day today, and now it's open in the overnight hours. This is Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is pushing back up to where it closed. MSTR again closed right here, had a big sell-off, big push back up, trying to get above this moving average. It's possible that it can, doesn't mean it has to, but yeah, excited to see some more rejection period off of Bitcoin to a lower low. And overall QQQ pushed up from 623 to 625. So I'd love to see some rejection off of this, going back down to retest this moving average. But if you guys want to watch me trade live in the morning at market open, all you have to do is click that first link in the description, sign up to our free Discord. We have less than 300 spots available. And after that, we will be charging a small fee to get in. It is 100% access, and it is lifetime access as well. So you only have to pay once. There's no monthly subscription. And we will see you bright and early at Market Open. Have a good night, guys, and Merry Christmas.